Remember the Chery QQ? Well, kalimutan na natin yon. Ito na ang bagong Chery. The Tiggo 8 is Chery's flagship model. It was brought here in the Philippines noong November 2019 when they relaunched the brand. We can compare this to Honda CR-V and Hyundai Santa Fe. Let's start with the looks. So here in front, we can see that it is dominated by the Starry Sky grille and has full LED headlights. And meron siyang chrome bar na nagko-connect dun sa dalawang headlights. Plus another chrome bar here below that connects two LED daytime running lights. It is very premium and European looking. Actually, kahapon nga habang nagvi-video kami, marami mga napadaan na nag-stop and nagtanong kung what car. And sabi nila maganda. Maganda nga naman talaga siya. The sides are clean which makes it classy at the same time. Meron siyang mga chrome dito sa ilalim and meron din siyang chrome surrounding the windows. It has LED indicators on the side mirrors and a 360-degree camera for around view monitor. It also has 18-inch alloys wrapped in 235/55R18 tires. It has LED taillights and below, rear fog lights. And kung mapansin nyo, meron siyang dalawang rear faux exhaust tips and the silver plastic on the bumper. Plus, yung placement na kanyang plate number made it cleaner. Overall, it looks simple yet modern. Dahil mainit ngayon, buksan muna natin yung aircon. And as long as nasa loob na ang susi, pwede mo na buksan ang engine. Pagpasok mo pa lang dito sa Tiggo 8, ang unang mapapansin mo ay yung design niya, which is very premium dahil this one is made of leather and ito, soft touch din siya. And it goes all the way from the right until the left side. The Tiggo 8 is equipped with a 10.25-inch touchscreen display. It has media, AM and FM radio, music, Bluetooth, USB connectivity, and it has QD Link, which is like Android Auto. And you even have the vehicle settings here. Kung gusto nyo palitan yung ambient light, dito nyo siya makikita. And overall, very responsive yung screen niya. Isang touch mo lang, nagre-respond siya agad. It has a 7-inch digital instrument cluster that shows your fuel economy and your speed. Tapos yung steering wheel niya, it is wrapped in nice faux leather and it's tilt and telescopic. Tapos on the left side, meron kang buttons for your cruise control and on the right side, audio controls. Down here, you have different switches for your hill descent control, parking sensors, around view monitor, and different driving modes. Plus, your traditional gear shift for your 6-speed DCT. Over here is the dual-zone automatic climate control na touchscreen. Very responsive naman siya sa touch, unlike sa ibang sasakyan. Kaya lang, even though nilagyan nila ng knobs, we would still prefer na may mga buttons siya. And aside from dito mo siya pwede makontrol, sa screen pwede mo rin siyang i-adjust. And lastly, ang only downside lang niya ay dust and scratch magnet siya dahil sa ginamit na materials. Here in the second row, makikita nyo marami pa akong space dito dahil I have lots of legroom and headroom and I'm just 5 feet and 6 inches tall. Merong pocket sa likod ng front seats and may aircon, USB charging, and storage area. And meron pa siyang 2 cup holders in the center armrest. You can slide your seats forward and back and you can recline them as well for more comfort. The Tiggo 8 is a 7-seater. Getting into the third row is not difficult and there's just enough space for me to pass. May hihilain lang na lever at isa-slide lang forward ang second row. May storage area at cup holders dito. Again, I'm 5 feet and 6 inches and with the second row seats moved forward, madaming legroom dito. With the second row in its standard position, medyo tight ang space although halos same din ito sa mga ibang rivals. You can use this key to open the trunk, or you can press the button below, or you can use the Chery smartwatch. which we will use. The Chery Tiggo 8 has 892 to 1,930 liters of trunk space. And para madagdagan ng space, ibababa lang natin ang third row, which is very flat once na nababa. And meron din siyang storage underneath. Andyan din yung mga tools. And then para iakyat siya ulit, we just need to pull this strap and this one. And isasara na natin. A feature worth noting is the panoramic sunroof, which makes the cabin feel a lot more airy and spacious compared to how it already is. There's also the Chery smartwatch, which lets you do various vehicle functions. You can watch our video on that by clicking the link on the top right of your screen. And because the Tiggo 8 really looks good at night, let's see some night shots. On the outside are these super cool looking taillights. Inside, there's mood lighting which even follows the beat of your music. Safety features of the Chery Tiggo 8 include 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, stability control, traction control, emergency brake assist, brake override system, brake assist, hill descent control, hill hold feature, and a 360-degree around view monitor. We almost forgot. All Chery vehicles come with a standard 5-year 100,000 km warranty. Do take note of this. The distributor has so much trust in the brand that they're also giving all models a 10-year 1 million km, yes, 7 digits powertrain warranty. No one has beaten that. Under the hood, the Tiggo is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine with 145 horsepower and 215 Nm of torque, paired to a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. The numbers may seem a bit small, pero i-drive muna natin siya para makita natin paano talaga siya mag-perform. Before we start driving, here's what I noticed with the car. Maganda yung visibility niya dahil makikita mo agad yung hood in front. And then the windows, they're very wide, so mabilis lang tumingin from left to right. And then, it's easy to find the proper sitting position dito sa seats. Pwede rin mas maging airy ang loob ng cabin kapag binuksan natin yung sunroof. Kaya lang sobrang init ngayon, kaya isasara na lang natin. Usapan na natin yung driving niya. The acceleration is good. Kahit naman naka-eco mode lang ako, mabilis pa rin siya mag-accelerate. So sa sport mode, mas mapapansin natin na bumilis siya. Mas mabilis mag-respond yung acceleration niya compared dun sa eco mode. And it's nice. Sa transmission naman, the 6-speed DCT shifts well. And may nabasa rin ako na article na it is one of the world's best daw. Okay yung ride comfort niya dahil pag sa mga lubak, hindi mo siya gano'ng mafe-feel. Plus, yung seat niya is very comfortable dahil it hugs you in place. Yung road noise naman niya, hindi mo mapapansin unless pag nasa highway ka. Doon, minsan maririnig mo na yung sound from the tires. Pero hindi naman siya nakaka-bother. For the fuel economy, okay naman siya dahil you get an 8 in the city and 15 naman sa highway. And even though maliit naman yung numbers niya, it's good na ganun ang resulta ng kuha natin from this car. It means it still gives you the performance na gusto natin kahit ganun. Chinese cars are really helping buyers experience premium and luxury comfort and features at a low price. At hindi exception dito ang Chery Tiggo 8 because it feels like and is even better than most of the 2 million Philippine peso cars. The Chery Tiggo 8 proves that comfort and luxury can be had for just 1,340,000 Philippine pesos.